How to find your niche. Holy God, if that word don't drive me insane. It's like, I don't know, nails on a chalkboard. Niche. Niche, 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 niche. Drill down your niche. Find your specific niche. We are our niches. Look how gorgeous that sky is. You're your niche. What are you interested in? What are the things that make you get up in the morning? What makes you click? What excites you? What are you passionate about? Those things are your niche. I am one of the few content creators that is broad and runs with it. I guess you could call me a broad niche content creator. I don't know. But I don't stick with one thing, and I never will, because it's not who I am. I am all over the place. And that's okay, despite what they tell you. You're going to hear every guru on the planet tell you you need to find your niche and you need to drill it down and focus on that one specific part of your niche and focus on that and focus on that and focus on that. I'm going to tell you there's a ton of successful people out there that don't have a niche. They do, their niches themselves, but they don't focus and drill down on one specific thing. Some of us just have that type of personality. You're not going to get away from it. I have so many interests. I have so many things that I've studied over my life. I'm 56. I've been around a minute. There's a lot of things I've been involved with since my teenage years, a ton of them, and a ton of things I know a lot about, and a ton of things I want to get to know more about. That's who I am. That's my niche. My niche is me. Your niche is you, and that's what makes you unique. Are you going to keep the attention of everybody doing it that way? It's impossible, because some people follow your content for one thing, and it may not be you. It may be a certain topic, and they want to see more of that. It may not be you to post more of that every single day. I hate the word niche. I hate it. It's not even a good sounding word, and I've been hearing it for 20 years. Find your niche, find your niche, find your niche. Okay, man, I found my niche. I talk about what I want to talk about, and I talk about things that I'm passionate about, that mean something to me, that I believe in, and that I know something about. And oddly enough, for me, it works. I'm happy doing what I'm doing. I don't want to be governed by someone else's rules. I don't. That's why I left the corporate world. And that's what this makes me feel like, is somebody telling you what you have to do to be popular or to make it. And the more that you keep posting content and the more that you do stuff, you're going to find certain things that do become your niche, and you'll run with those. And oftentimes it's going to happen by accident. If it bores you, if you don't like doing it, if you're sick of talking about it, that's not for you. Move on. Find a different niche. Or better yet, just find other things you're passionate about and talk about them. I hope this helps. Peace, y'all. Have a great day. From one eclectic creator to another.